Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure behavioral analytics with Splunk, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Splunk environment. On the main dashboard, locate the Apps menu in the upper left corner. Click on the Apps menu to open it. In the Apps section, find and select the Behavioral Analytics app. Once the app loads, navigate to the Settings wheel located at the top right corner. Click on the Settings wheel to access the configuration options. Under the Behavioral Analytics settings, look for the Data Inputs section. Select Data Inputs to see the list of available data sources. Here, you'll want to add your data source for behavioral analysis. Click on that Add Data button to start the data input process. Choose the appropriate input type that matches your data source. If you're using a file or a directory, select Files and Directories. If you're collecting data from a forwarder, choose Forwarded Data. Follow the prompts to specify the file path or forwarder information. Once you've entered the necessary details, click Next to proceed. On the next screen, you'll configure source types. Choose the appropriate source type that fits your data characteristics. If you're unsure, you can select the default setting and adjust it later. Click Next to move on to the index settings. Select the index where you want to store your behavioral data. Click Review to verify your settings before saving. If everything looks good, click Submit to create the data input. After creating the data input, return to the Behavioral Analytics dashboard. Locate the Search section to explore your data. Use the search bar to run queries on the data you just ingested. This will help you visualize and analyze user behavior patterns. For deeper insights, try using the pre-built dashboards available in the app. Explore various reports to uncover trends and anomalies. As you gain familiarity, start customizing dashboards to fit your analysis needs. Review the documentation provided with the app for further guidance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.